In this video, I will show you how to record your voice with higher quality than smartphones or a built-in DSLR microphone. For this reason, first of all, you need to buy a $30 to $40 microphone and then of course, follow this tutorial to reach the best quality. Hello everyone, my name is Mortaza and you are here with me to unbox and test one of the cheapest microphones you can afford. And we are going to compare this microphone with the famous Rode, and finally I will share you some tricks to make the voice better and will tell you how to remove the hissing noise. Is your product original? There are 3 ways to verify authenticity sticker. To see the golden and silver parts under visible light. Using some water to make disappear Boya logo. Remove the top layer to access the security code. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 test. 1, 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 2, 3, 4, 5 test. Pattern matte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test. Pattern matte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test, 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 pattern matte. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 test. 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 Now it's time to tell you the tricks. First one, always use the best cable that you can buy. A high quality cable can reduce the noise, and I do not recommend using these helix shaped cables because they act as just an antenna and absorb the ambient electromagnetic waves that can make your voice noisy. Second one, always record on your DSLR camera or smartphones. Computers or laptops make your voice noisy unless they have a great audio card. And the third one is using the noise filter on Adobe Premiere. To do this, let's make a new project in Adobe Premiere. Go to the Window menu, Workspace, and click on All Panels. it will be our workspace. In this panel, you can add or drag and drop an audio or video track, or even you can make a new project to record your voice. Right-click on an audio layer and then voiceover record setting. Choose your microphone and click on close. Now, if you click on microphone sound, your record will start. 1 2 3 4 5 test. 1 2 3 4 5 test. Let's stop recording. Let's listen to my voice and start speaking. 1 2 3 4 5 test. Did you hear the noise? Now it's time to remove this noise. Go to Effect, Audio Effect, Noise Reduction, and the noise. Drag and drop the noise filter on your audio track. You can see the noise setting on the panel of effect controls. Let's do not change any setting and just listen to the voice one more time. 1 2 3 4 5 test. Let me disable the noise filter and listen again and start speaking. 1 2 3 4 5 test and start speaking. 1 2 3 4 5 test. Done. So, which one is your choice? It is April 2021 and you can find Boya MM1 for only $30 to $40 and Rode VideoMicro around $60 on Amazon. And this is the end. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please share your experience with me and feel free to open new conversation down below if you have any question. Till next time.